How to grow your savings fast, without cutting everything you love. Most people save money the wrong way. They cut everything they enjoy, coffee, weekends, small comforts, and then wonder why they quit halfway. Here's the truth. You don't need to live cheap to grow your savings fast. You just need the right system, and it's easier than you think. Saving isn't about restriction, it's about direction. When you tell every dollar where to go, your money finally starts working for you. Here's the problem. Most people don't plan their spending, they react to it. They save what's left, instead of saving first. So the first step is simple. Flip the order. Save first, and spend what's left. It sounds small, but it changes everything. There's a simple system that quietly builds wealth for thousands of people. It's called the 70-20-10 rule. Spend 70% of your income on needs and wants. Save 20%. Invest 10%. You can adjust the numbers, but the principle stays the same. Set fixed percentages, and automate them. Why does it work? Because habits beat motivation. If saving is automatic, you never have to rely on willpower again. Want to grow your savings even faster? Find your hidden money. It's in unused subscriptions, in overpriced phone plans, in impulse spending you barely notice. Track every expense for just 1 week, and you'll be surprised by how much slips away silently. Redirect that money, not to more spending, but straight into your savings account. That one small change can grow your savings by hundreds of dollars each month. There's one habit that separates savers from strugglers. It's called paying yourself first. When your paycheck arrives, save before you pay bills. That's right, before rent, before food, before anything. It might sound extreme, but it forces your lifestyle to adapt to your goals. When you pay yourself first, your savings grow automatically, without stress or guilt. And once you set up automation, saving becomes effortless. Use your bank's automatic transfer feature. Move a fixed amount of money to savings the moment your income arrives. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill, because your future is an expense worth paying for. Do this once, and you'll never have to remember to save again. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for a big break to start saving. But big results come from small, consistent actions. Even if you save just $5 a day, that's over $1,800 in a year, without even feeling it. Money doesn't grow by luck. It grows by habit. You don't need to struggle. You don't need to live cheap. You just need systems that quietly grow your savings behind the scenes. Start today, set your rules, and watch your savings grow faster than you ever thought possible. Subscribe for more smart money strategies that actually work.